Asante Kotoko Board for abo abrante friend say Patrick Aseidu abaso papa ne professionalism ebra bribery allegation bi etimi ekọ na so ye ma abrante no etimi deny sa allegation na se bia wanyi antum se obaji sika na odwene club no mpanifo abona baso na mpanifo di statement aba bontene pache se ade na abrante ne ye no why ade papa e abrante friend say Patrick Aseidu e woni wo ye no enso nti club statement na mpanifo de eba on the 25th no na ibetimi akenkem kakra we see the meeting also address allegation of attempted bribery involving some players ahead of our last Premier League fixture. Management has commenced a thorough investigation into the matter and remain committed to uncovering the full facts. The board and management commend Patrick Aseidu for the professionalism, integrity, and commitment to the values of Asante Kotoko by promptly bringing the allegation to the attention of the club. Asante Kotoko treat issue of this nature with the utmost seriousness, and as such, any individual found culpable following the investigation will face the appropriate disciplinary sanctions. The club remains committed to upholding the highest standard of integrity, professionalism, and accountability of all times. Signed, board and management. Winnie and Sama Asante Kotoko Board and in the management the ebetuja enano ewo abrante Patrick Aseidu bribery allegation bi etimi ekopimu na soye na omoso omo hwehwemu se u prayer biara obe fan no na se ebe chiw ese eyampa se utimi agibibisa no sanction biara na se asotwe bia wo se safata biara no omo de sa asotwe ebe mawo weni ade ampanifo enso so eney no na se on the 25th of May omo edi betuja ebra omo shia prayers ni no na omo bo abrante friend say Patrick Aseidu na baso papa e won professionalism and the integrity of the club no abrante no so etimi eteto ma mansan hu de na nkana epese ekoso na mpanifo se asem no so omu nyanto ho trasa omu nyanto ho kra omu guso eye toro investigation pa hwehwemu amodin na mpanifo se omu eye na honom nti de besi bia no so ombema atiefo ne anase kotoko titafo aso ate enso so honom nti na no abra game no eba na wiye no Patrick Aseidu de kotoko supporters no ema netimi enya netidi ma omuja na kwama ni pie boko no na weni ensema management and the board enso so ede abetu edwa enso wo honom mediane na napoku obetumi afolo obetumi so like wo comment afabra or comment section no makramo shalom peace.